We missed every time, but let's see if we can have it here right now. Can we? Fingers crossed for all of you. Let's see if we can get it. Come on. I would love this 30. Oh, come on. It's going for it. Amon is going for it. There it is. Do not panic. The winning number. Look at that one. 35 with a 500 mega multiplier. Wow. Compliments to all the winners. Best of luck in the next spin. Let's do it. Wow. Wow. Was there a 35? I think it was. Once more compliments to all of the winners on that.
Nu aan de wedstrijd closing, so dan weer staat er bets. Like it was so little bets are closed. The mega lucky number for this round is 35 with 500 as the mega multiplier. Have a potential max win here. So come on now, hopefully we can hit it. But getting back to our conversation, so little, okay? So what we like, and he was in a box. I guess there were more of those. I see, but some people took them. It was heavily.
You don't see the thinking from that angle. Our mega lucky number for the round will be a 30 wallet with the highest multiplier they can get. And that's a 500, everyone. Good luck to you. Now, we will live and we will see. Yes, everyone, on the other hand. Oh, talking about angles, let me tell you a sport where angles really matters. I think it would be the contact sports like less in the boxing. Later, the 30 violet. And it's a mega win, everyone. 30 violet with 500. Sensational. Wow, congratulations. And you should definitely place your bets. Because you're already spinning away line, sure you know anything. Wow. There we go, everyone. The dreams come true. Fantastic. There we go. No more bets. Good luck. And look at this. Our mega lucky number 4 round will be a 40 pink, everyone. Which enjoy the show.
And you can place your bets, so ladies and gentlemen, as you are placing them, let's spin the wheel once again. Let's go for it. All right, no more bets. Let's see the mega lucky number for this round. Wow, look at this. 40 with 500x. Good luck, everyone. Let's see. Can we get it? 40 pink sounds nice. 500x sounds even better. But for that, we have to see the winning number. So the winning number for this round is going to be... All right, that's getting close. That's getting very close. Wow. Wow. Stop, please. Wow, look at this. 40 pink with 500x. Congratulations to the winning bets once again. Thank you so much for playing. Good luck in the next round. You can place your new bets. So ladies and gentlemen, let's spin the wheel. Let's go. Wow. Once again, 500x. Wow. No more bets. Congratulations, everyone.
I see your message, Rav. Let's spin the wheel, but it's covered. I don't know what you wrote there, but it's covered. That's closed. Let's see the mega lucky number 15 or with 250 as a mega multiplier. Good luck to all of you. If it's not working, Rav, try to refresh the page. Maybe after this refresh, it will work. I don't know. We can try. You can try, actually. Let's see the winning number for this round. 15 orange, it's a mega win! Congratulations to all the winners. Bets are once again open. You can place your bets again. Let's spin the wheel. Okay, such a blast win. Bets closed. Let's see the mega
time. It's available for you now, so you may want to go ahead and place yours. Now let's go. This one gotta go. Spin the wheel. Matthew, all right, let's do something. I mean, we already got like 4 mega wins. Let's try getting the 5th one. Our mega lucky number 4 round, it's on 15 orange. Ladies and gentlemen, with 250 as a mega multiplier, good luck. It's pretty likable, to be honest with you. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 15 orange. 15 orange, everyone. There we go. With 250 as a mega multiplier. Sensational. There we go. Where dreams come true once again. Congratulations, everyone. There we go. No, Matthew. No. You ain't got to be quiet.